Well, welcome back to another video, guys, and it's been a little bit of some time, I posted my last video like 2 or 3 weeks ago or something like that, about the lawnmower, repairing that. And I found something interesting in one of the buildings down there, and figure I'd show you guys and take it apart and try to fix it, repair it, as you will. But yeah, it's definitely changing out here. You look at the grass in the fields, well, in the pastures, they're definitely tall. We go down the side of the fence with the lawnmower and we cut along the fence line and stuff and spray Roundup and stuff. But besides that, everything's going good to the start of this year. Neighbor, he's got his field over here. I don't want to show the rest of his house and everything over there. Kind of keep some privacy for him. But he's got his field going on, and he's been disking it. He disked it last week. He just disked it yesterday, and he should be seeding his fields pretty soon. And he plants soybeans every year, so. But besides that, I guess we'll get the video started, and I guess I'll show you guys what I found. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's head on over to the workshop. Well, here we are at the workshop, and there it is. So this is what I found in the building. I was, like I said, I was going through the building, cleaning out some stuff, and I just happened to find this thing. It's a impact wrench in there, and a pneumatic impact wrench, and doesn't move. This piece, I don't know if you push it or what. I guess we'll figure that out. It turns though, but it won't do anything. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to have a spring or something that would kick it out. So, but we'll push it out. Yeah, you can definitely see this thing. I mean, yeah, it's either been on the ground or some mud daubers got up in there, and so I guess we can see what we can do with this. Has a forward and a reverse, so not too sure what's with the tape here. I was wondering that myself, so I don't, maybe something's broke on there. We'll find that out because I'm going to take that off. But I guess we should I should get the tripod set up and get the tools over here to work on it. So give me a second, I will be right back. Alright, well, let's try to, I guess we can start with this tape first and figure out what's wrong or what's going on with that. So hopefully it's not too big of an issue. Let me just find where it starts. Looks like it starts right there. And there's a fly in here. Looks like my great uncle used electrical tape to tape this on. So I'd like to know why. We'll find out here in a second here. Once we get all this tape off, where we can figure out what's wrong with it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I think he just had it on there to hold it. It looks like it. I figure this pneumatic impact wrench probably holds. Ooh, yeah, that's. Ooh, my, jeez. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Let me get it zoomed in there for you guys. Look at that. By the looks of it, kind of bent, you know, kind of twisted on it. Yeah, it definitely twisted, but everything's still good. It just looks like it had too much torque, and yeah, it just twisted it right here. So, judging by it, but yeah, without certainly looks a little bit different without the tape. But let me go over here and grab some Creole. Grab a good old can of some Creole. Thought I had a can already out, but I guess I don't, because I don't see one in here. No matter, got one right here. Got like 5 cans of the stuff, so. Alright, let's see if we can't get it off. It looks like it would be smaller. Oh, yeah, I got it right. Alright. There we go. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one didn't break. Alright, well, let me get these three screws out, and we'll get them. Alright, we basically got them out, so I can just untighten them by hand, put them over here. So I like working on these type of projects, you know, fixing old tools and stuff. I mean, this thing's probably from like the 70s or so. You know, this thing's pretty old looking. Might be even from the 80s or something. I don't know. But this be actually my first time actually taking these type of things apart. It looks like it has a gasket. So I figure it has a whole bunch of like little gears or something in it. Definitely has some grease in there. Well, what looked like grease at a point in time. But definitely not looking like that now. Oh, it's a shame. We won't be able to get it out because of that. So the only way we'll be able to get that out is if we grind that off or something. So, but I don't know about that. I'm not really too sure what this little mechanism in here is. Looks like something that would turn it. Kind of see in there a little bit. We can definitely see on the side there. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Huh. Well, there it is up close now. You can actually see it. So, something. That might actually be where the air goes. No. I don't know. Oop. Oh. Oh, I'm already dropping stuff on the ground. Good thing I swept my shop floor. Alright, well, we got that thing apart, and this disc or washer of some sort. Let me get my paper towels on handy. focusing the camera there so you guys can see what I'm doing. Definitely making a sound. There's a pin there. Looks like it comes out. I don't know what that does exactly. Maybe I can turn this out or something. I don't think this comes out, but you never know. No, I don't think it comes out. Huh, or maybe it does. Feels like it's getting loose. Might be because of all the oil in there. Might be lubricating it. Huh, I don't know. I don't know what the little pin was there for either. It's like it was there to hold it in or something like that. But I don't see... Oh, there it is. So it was originally there. I thought it was at the top too. No, it wasn't at the top. So it was right there. Guess we can, I don't know where to kind of take this thing apart. I mean, I guess we can take this piece out, you know. I have my trusty handy-dandy Craftsman, wrench in my back pocket, and I'm hoping it'll fit. No, it will not. That sucks. I'll have to go into the tool thing here. I don't think I have one that's gonna fit it. So, give me a second. I can get one. Oh wait, never mind. Ta-da! Adjustable wrench. That appears to be a little seized. I don't know. Fixing tools and fixing other tools. There we go. Alright. Might have to put this in the vise or something. So, I don't know. I'm gonna get my hammer and we can whack it a little bit. Oh, missed it. Yeah, I might have to put this in the vise. So, give me a second. I'll get that loose. All right. Well, got it loose. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it's pretty clean in there. You know, it looks like the only dirty part was this. So, you already see the stuff coming out of there. So. But as for this thing right here, I don't know what's the deal with that. So, and we can probably, I don't know, we should be able to get this this piece out though, somehow. Maybe, I don't know, that bearing. Looks like it's just one solid piece though right here. So maybe we can try to pop that out, maybe. I don't know. But get some Creole on that. We'll try to fix that too. So start out with a little hammer. go. Reverse, forward, reverse, forward. Alright. Well, by the looks of it, it's just one solid piece right here, so the only way you'd get in there is from through this. So, oh, look at that. Yeah, it's like unlocking puzzles. Ooh, check it out. Is that plastic? Look like old plastic pieces. Oh, okay, I see how it works. So, it looks like maybe the air comes through here, right? And it probably comes through right here or something. Maybe. I think the air comes through here, right down at that bottom. Goes through these little holes in this. Comes out this backside out of the holes and goes in through here. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, I already broke it a little bit. Oh. Pinched myself with it. I don't see anything moving though. Oh, dang. It's getting kind of solid. I don't know, I don't see anything, so. Well, I don't know, so. But it looks like we fixed it, you know. So. Looks like it was just a simple, easy repair. But besides that, you know. We'll clean her on off. Well, actually we haven't fixed this yet, so. Still gotta figure out that. Let me see. Maybe. I'm figuring it's just like a spring or something in there. So maybe we can get like a screwdriver or something flat enough to go through there. I don't want to break it. Goes up a little bit, but I don't want to damage it too much. Little tap. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Oh, did go out a little bit, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me try to figure this out, and maybe I can get it to work. Alright, well, as you can see, I've gotten a little bit done off camera. And, you know, I got this loose. I can move it by hand now. Looks like maybe the spring in it's kind of locked up or something, maybe. I don't know. Or maybe the air pushes it out or something like that. I don't know. I've just been stuffing Creole in here. And that's how it kind of got loose. So. But I think I'm just going to clean it on out with Creole. Just absolutely flood it. Let it soak in there pretty good. Give me another paper towel. Wipe my hands off and clean workstation off and clean the tools. Clean it off. A whole bunch is gonna come piling out of there. So, but we can get that little piece open right there. I don't think I have the necessary tools. I don't think I have the necessary tools to get that out. So I can't get that ring out. But I can spray Creole in there. And spray some Creole on that. And clean it up. So I guess I'm going to clean it up and rebuild it, and I guess I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so with this being free, I don't know if the actual mechanism in there is free. But I can't really tell. But oh man, it's kind of locking up or something. Oh, I'm making everything fall out. I don't want that. Clean it all off. Get all that dirt and everything off of it. Ooh, I just tore that coming out. Alright. So yeah. As you can see, I've pretty much got it all put back together, you know. But I noticed that over this side, on the other side, inside this chamber, it's oil based. On the outside, you can't really see because I've already cleaned off. It's grease, so it uses grease to lubricate the bearings. Not bearings, the metal. So, but so that's what we're gonna do now. Is we're gonna go ahead and well, actually, we'll just put her all back together, and we'll see if she works. So give me a second, I'll put it back together and we'll give her a test run. Well, if you guys can hear me, it's working, and as I suspected that it would pop out for the air pressure, it worked. It's a lot faster in reverse though. We can try to see how much torque it has. I don't want to burn that motor up. It basically has nothing. So, but that was a great test though. So, I guess it'll run better at 120 psi, but yeah, it's only like probably like less than 40 psi, but yeah, I'll put you guys back on the tripod and we'll get some grease and grease her on up. Alright, so get us a fresh paper towel. Not really fresh, but you know, it'll work. And clean that on out a little better. I'll put some brand new grease in her. Alright. So, man, I haven't opened this thing of grease in a long time. So, looks pretty good. But, If you're just wondering, it's just multi-service lubricating grease. So. Yep. So. Used for a variety of home, farm, and industrial equipment. So, you know, you can put it on, your parts, your tractors, and, your, well, wherever the heck that thing is. But, yeah, so let's go ahead and, put some grease in her, and, see how she does. Take the little pins out. Alright, so let's get a little bit of grease here. I want a little bit, but I guess, hope that'll do. Alright, so just put it in all the nooks and crannies. Especially filling in this area, this is where most of the moving parts are, so, don't want too little, but you don't want too much, so, or is it the opposite way around? Huh. But, let me see here, that goes directly onto the bearings. Oh, there's a plate. Oh, here it is. Just wondering what that. Oh, wait, did I put that in? Yeah, I had it in there. Alright. Just wondering. So, looks pretty good. I'll put her on the axle itself, if it will go onto the axle. There we go. Popped right on there. And, we'll put some grease in the middle of this. And kind of soupy grease. Definitely has a lot of oil and everything in it, so hopefully it'll be good. But so yep. And there we go. Slap a little grease in there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Somebody's leaving my driveway. I don't know who was here. Alright, come on. Go into the hole. I'm trying to slide this pen in without getting grease all over the place, and it's not really working too well. Oh man, come on. Don't do this. Dang it. It's not working. I don't know why it's not going in there. But, I guess let me finish up here and, I'll get back to you guys. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. And, as you can see, I got it all back together. And, so yeah, it works pretty good and got it all greased, I even sanded it a little bit. You can kind of see where it's starting to come through there. But, I guess this is the end of the video. So, if you guys like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any video suggestions or, suggestions of what I could do with this. If I can make, a second part, clean this up, making it look like brand new. I'm not too sure about this, but, do something with it. But I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a good one. See y'all later.